Hey guys, today I want to show you some tips about drawing car rims. I hope it will help you. Let's go to the tutorial. Number 1. Use the tools. To draw this part, try to use suitable tools such as compass tool drawing, or different types of rulers, because accurate drawing of the initial designs is very important in this part, and they will help you improve your design. For a better design of rims, divide the circle into several parts so that you can draw the design better. Number 2. Sizes. Pay attention to this point. Drawing in different sizes is different. This means that drawings in smaller sizes need less details, and the use of very fine and precise details in drawing will cause your drawing to not be drawn correctly. So draw the details according to the size of the drawing. Number 3. The inner part. When drawing rims, first draw the outer part and then go to the dark and inner part so that you don't have problems in drawing the sizes. This will help you to better draw the corners of the rims to have a more realistic drawing. Number 4. The edges of the rims. After drawing the inner parts, you must draw the corners of the rim that you see in the video completely uniformly, so that the inner part is completely separated from the outer part and you have a more realistic drawing. Number 5. Highlights. When drawing highlights, try to highlight the parts that really need highlighting and avoid highlighting the parts that don't need it. And don't highlight too much or too little. Do this evenly. Number 6. The corners. At the end of the work, shade the corners of the rims in such a way that it is clear that they will separate from the tire and avoid leaving this part empty. I hope you were able to learn something from this video and I was able to help you. I love you and see you in next video.